Hey, what's going on, guys? Yo, it's Pat. I'm coming back at you with another video. I'm here to do an unboxing video for you. We're going to take a look today at a package I got from Lacorda Threads. If you haven't heard of Lacorda Threads, they're basically a skateboard shoelace belt company. So I'm going to show you what I got. We'll do a quick little review of the product and show you how they work. Alright, so let's just take a look inside real quick. We'll do a real quick opening here for you. Not gonna lie, I kind of cheated. I was excited when I got this package, and I had opened it just before camera, just because I wanted to check the order, make sure everything looked good, and see what came inside, since this is my first time seeing them as well. So, open up the package. You got packing slip, you got a couple stickers, a couple of Lacorda stickers. These are actually pretty dope. Don't know where I'm going to put these yet, but these are definitely going somewhere. And we got some belts. Here we go. Let's take a look at what I got. First off, I got so many just because, I mean, they look like they're a lot of fun, and I like to be able to match and coordinate with my outfits. Yeah, so here, let's take a quick look at what I got. We'll start with all the OG colors first. First, we got the OG wheat. I like this color because, I mean, I like khaki, but I mean, it's nice to have a neutral color that I can wear kind of like as an everyday belt. Thought it was pretty cool. Next up, I got the OG purple belt. It's a great color. I like, one of the things that I like most about these belts compared to other belts that I have seen around on the internet is just the pure quality of them. I mean, if you take a look, there you go. You can see just all the quality and detail that's put into these belts compared to other ones that are out there on the market, or other ones that have been out there. A lot of them actually doesn't look like they've been able to make it competitively with Lacorda. Alright, next up, we got the OG yellow, the OG sangria, love this color, the OG blue, and then the favorite of mine of the OG colors is the OG red. I'm a big fan of red, and this color is just so poppin'. Is a great color. And then I did go ahead and I picked up two patterned ones. The first patterned one I got was the Desert Eagle, excuse me, was the Desert Camo. I don't know if you can see that here. It's just a cool camo belt. And then my favorite, I love pizza, especially pepperoni pizza. So I picked up the pepperoni belt. Alright, so now I'll just do a quick try on and demonstration for you of how the belts actually work. And I'll let you know where to pick these up and everything. So let's see here. Which one do I want to try on? Let's go ahead and try on the blue. I like this blue a lot. Now see, as you can see, they do hold your pants up, but it's a good idea to make sure that your pants fit first, because they're not notched like normal belts. So although they're made of quality materials and will be able to stay tied all day, I would still recommend that you keep your pants as close to fitting as possible, so that way when you're skating or anything, or just like walking around hanging out, you make sure that your pants don't fall down, because who wants to see that? I mean, for real. Alright guys, so there's a quick try on for you, so you can see what they look like on. And make sure you leave a comment below which color you like the best, and you know, which color you wouldn't mind picking up for yourself. Out of focus. So once again, these are Lacorda threads. Lacorda threads shoelace belts. The website's going to be www.lacordathreads.com. I'll put it in the description below. But real quick, the main purpose that these are made for, they're made specifically for like skateboarders, BMXers, anybody who is doing any type of action sport who doesn't want to get like the irritation or annoyance of an actual buckle to hit them, you know, in the stomach or anything like that when they're moving around. They're great. They come in all sorts of fun colors. Sorry, I'm a little out of focus here. Let me adjust my camera. There we go. Yeah, they come in all sorts of fun colors and patterns. The company is actually owned by two guys. I reached out initially once I placed my order to Jeff. I spoke with him and wanted to switch out one of the belts that I got. I got like a gray one, and I decided I wanted to get the pepperoni one instead. And within like literally 10-15 minutes of me placing my order, he had reached back out to me and said that's not a problem, switched everything out, and my order came in about 4 days across the country. So definitely going to keep on collecting these as my progress, or excuse me, as my collection grows. I definitely will keep you in the loop, and we can see what we've got. But yeah, if you've ever rocked Lacorda belts, or if you have a collection yourself, definitely put a comment down below. I would love to hear which belts you got so far, what you think of them, and just, you know, anything you want to hear about it, or anything you want to talk about. Again, I'll put the link in the description below for where I got all the belts. Like I said, I got 8 belts. One you saw me just put on. So anyway, I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure, if you stuck around, comment the word taco if you made it this long. That way, you know, I can see who's actually watching my whole videos. That's one of the belts I would love to see for them to do a taco collaboration belt, just like, you know, maybe like the taco emoji, or very similar to the pepperoni, have it be like tacos. I think that would be pretty cool. But anyway guys, once again, thank you for watching the video and sticking till the end. Comment taco if you did. Be sure to like the video, comment, and share it. Every time you share, that definitely helps my channel grow. And yeah, I hope y'all have a good day. Stay positive and keep on grinding. Alright, I just got to Lowe's. Came here to look for some tape. Like I said, I need to fix the roof on my car. Once again, hey, thanks a lot for giving this video a like, a comment, and subscription. If you're already not, I can't talk. If you're already subscribed, thank you. If you're not, make sure to hit that button. It's free, it's easy. You just give a click and you'll be updated anytime that you see one of my videos coming up. Hey, thanks a lot. Peace.